What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake social media accounts out there. A lot of people keep making fake King Hussle pages, scamming people, and y'all still falling for it for some reason, somehow. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're getting legit business and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, back at it again, back at it with the sauce, back at it with the gems, back at it finna show you guys where to go to get some money. Yes, I'm finna show you how to get some money, because like I said, we're gonna be starting to focus more on our business credit. Everybody wants major loans, credit cards, or lines of credit. Well, you're going to be able to get these things easier on the business side. Stop being lazy and put in some work to get this money. I'm tired of people trying to cut corners without doing nothing. There's a lot of people out there that got their handouts. A lot of people that want to be slick and try to figure out any and every way for somebody to do something for them. Those are the type of people who will not be successful in life. Those are the people who will be in the same position forever until they change their way of thinking, all right? And a lot of things, a lot of people don't understand, you got to actually want to do something. You got to actually want to be successful. You got to actually want to clean and build and get these type of loans, because there's a lot of people out there that really, they say they want to get loans, they say they want to do this, and they say they want to do that, but when it comes down to actually putting in the work to do it, it's not going to happen because they're lazy. They don't have that passion. They don't have that drive to do anything. They just want somebody to do something for them, and that's why a lot of people are stuck in the same position. So today we're going to talk about a place where you can get up to, they're giving $2 million, but like I told you, it's easier for you to get any of these loans when you're applying for $50,000 or less. So anybody trying to get $50,000 or less, and you got at least a 500 FICO, Big Think Capital will allow you to get this loan. Easy. All you need to do is have a 500 FICO, be in business for at least 3 months, and certain other requirements, and which I will show you once we go over the channel, that you need to do, that you need to have, and you can get required. Now, when it comes to business credit, when it comes to personal credit, when it comes to loans, when it comes to credit cards, when it comes to lines of credit, like I told you guys, and let me explain to you now again, the difference between the three. Lines of credit is like a loan, but they're basically giving you a line of credit. So if you get a $100,000 line of credit and you only spend $50,000 out of that $100,000 line of credit, you're only responsible for paying back $50,000, not the whole $100,000. But let's say you get you a $100,000 loan. You're responsible for the whole $100,000, even if you don't spend the whole $100,000. And then credit cards is money being lent to you in a digital form on a card. It's not on your bank account. It's on a card. It's a digital number. So that is the difference between the three. Different APRs, different percentages, different rewards, different perks. So boom, once you learn the three, you will understand why they all are important to credit, because leveraging all three at the same time will gain you more access to credit and more capital. So when I'm telling people that, okay, you want to leverage your personal credit towards your business credit, you want to be your own personal guarantor. So which means you got to get your personal credit into a decent standing. And I tell you guys every video before the video how to clean your credit, how to build your credit, how to add trade lines, how to add AUs, why are they important, what are these lenders looking for, vice versa, from payment history to credit score to the debt on your credit. It's a lot of different things that play in the factor of you getting approved for these loans. It's just not a credit score. They want to make sure that you got they want to see what's all on your credit. See if you got enough credit, like what's all on your credit. Are you paying back anything on your credit? Do you have trade lines on your credit that you're paying back monthly that you're on time with? Because that is going to show them if you're delinquent on some payments or you have an exceptional payment history. They want to see that. If you got exceptional payment history, that's going to build your credit score. So those two play a part to each other. They want to make sure you're making enough money to pay the loan back. So they want to see those type of things. And a lot of people don't be having all these three things in order to get a loan, right? So boom, make sure y'all add those trade lines. If you're somebody 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, just add those trade lines, add those AUs. If you're somebody that's older, you got collections, you got a little debt, you got evictions and things like that, inquiries and so on and so on, clean your credit. Take the information that I give you in the beginning of the video to clean your credit, add the trade lines, get it back in good standing, and then use yourself as a personal guarantor so you can start leveraging it towards your business credit. If you get you a 4,000, 5,000 credit card, and I showed you where you guys can literally get that, you can go to Trade Line Supply and get that AU account, that $5,000 credit card on your business side, add those trade lines, start juicing up your personal credit, use it as a personal guarantor towards your business, start your LLC, you'll automatically be approved for $10,000, $15,000 worth of credit just by that personal credit you having that $5,000 credit card. And that's why I tell you guys this sauce. But you just got to take the things that I'm telling you and put it into work. You can't just listen to me and be like, oh, I'm going to apply. No, you got to get y'all paperwork together. Y'all got to get y'all documents together. Y'all got to get y'all paper trail together. And you will have a better chance of getting approved for this loan, this money. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Big Think Capital, where you can go get up to $2 million, but we're focusing on $50,000 or less. All you need is a 500 FICO for your personal, and you have a good chance of getting approved. All right, so without further ado, let's look at Big Think Capital. So today we're going to be talking about Big Think Capital, right? Get compensated with short-term loans fast, all right? Does your business need extra cash fast? Whether you're come into trouble because of lagging invoices, strained work capital, or are you looking to buy more inventory to grow, short-term business loans from Big Think Capital may be the right choice for you. With our relationship-driven approach, sprawling financial industry connections, and security-first attitude to your sensitive information, we're the nation's ultimate short-term loan company, all right? So boom, loans amount from $2 up to $2 million, terms 3 to 48 months, rates as low as 14%, and decision as fast as 1 to 3 hours. Moderate credit, that's okay. Easy application process, limited paperwork, quick access to cash. So get started with the short-term small business loan. Provide basic information about your business. If approved, you can request the funds and receive them in your account as fast as 48 hours. So minimum qualifications. All you need is a 500 plus credit score, 6 months in business, $100,000 in yearly revenue. What you need to apply, basic details about your business, bank statements for the past 3 months. Business is in good standing. All right, so secure the funds you need for your business. Need today. Easy application. Compare an online funding application. Receive offers. Get the best offers from our provider network. Get funding fast. Receive funds in as little as 24 hours. All right, so proven excellence. They got different things. So they got the business loans. They got the business line of credit. Get access to a business line of credit today. Business lines of credit are one of the best financing options for businesses that need financing but don't want to take out the traditional loan. If you're interested but don't know where to turn, work with Big Think Capital. We'll combine our financial expertise with our deep connections to consider you a financing options that other companies can't. Keep reading to learn more about the business lines of credit and advantages of partnering with Big Think. All right, so $10K to $1 million, terms as long as 5 years, rates as low as 7%, decisions as fast as 24 hours. All right, so everything you need to know about business lines of credit. So benefits, where traditional loans require business owners to pay back the amount, like I just told you guys before, where a traditional loan requires business owners to pay back their amount in monthly installments, credit lines let you pay back your debts on more flexible terms. When looking at a business line of credit versus a loan, credit lines are generally the superior option, especially for businesses with low working capital with a financing requirements. So benefits of a line of credit include easy access to short-term funding, flexibility in application, credit building tool, control borrowing capabilities. All right, so it's no surprise that business lines of credit are the most popular financing tool for businesses looking to grow. So I keep trying to tell y'all this. Our credit line qualifications. Have you tried tracking down the business line of credit but find yourself being continually rejected by lenders? Work with the experts at the Big Think Capital. Our team can collaborate with you to get the funding you need. Best of all, the requirements to start working with us are minimal. 6 months in business, 50,000 in yearly revenue. That's so easy. If you meet these qualifications and your business is in good standing, prepare the following paperwork so we can get started and getting your business financing it needs. So basic details about you and your business, bank statements over the past 3 years. That's all you need for the line of credit. So no application fee, no prepayment penalties, funds available on demand, financing that grows with you, and it just drops down and gets into all the other stuff with that. So that's the line of credit. They got the commercial real estate loan. They got the employee retention credit, the ERC program, and we'll go over this in a second. I'll do the video next on that. Merchant cash advance. They got a lot of different things, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in with them. With this, the merchant cash advance, they got the a quicker alternative to more traditional funding methods. Payments are a percentage of each of the sale. So repayment is not a burden when businesses are slow. So up to $2 million, 12%, 1 to 3 hours decision time, moderate credit, okay, easy application process, easy access to cash, financing that grows with you. So minimal requirements, 400 credit score, 5 months in business, 75,000 in yearly revenue. Basic details about your business, bank statements of the past 3 months. Business is in good standing. That's all you need. Can't beat that. You can get almost up to $2 million. All right, so Big Think Capital, go check them out. Go see what they're offering. Go apply. Go get the credit right. Go get your personal credit right to leverage it towards your personal guarantors for your business, and I guarantee you'll get approved, right? So without further ado, let's talk about Big Think Capital. So let's talk about it. Big Think Capital. They're giving out millions of dollars in capital for small business, startup businesses, even if you got bad credit. All right, so that's why it's so important for you guys to start paying attention to your business credit. Start paying attention to becoming your own entrepreneur, becoming an entrepreneur, start focusing on paying yourself, start focusing on running your own business, because that's how you can become successful. That's how you're going to start being in the position that you need to be in to win, and that's how you're going to win, period in life. All right, so make sure y'all paying attention to business credit. Let's start focusing more on our business credit so you guys can get them loans, them lines of credits, and them credit cards that y'all want so bad, that y'all need so bad, so you all can start leveraging credit into cash and being successful. You can become a millionaire off business credit. You will not become a millionaire off personal credit. But it's a lot of people out there that still doesn't understand the difference between personal credit and business credit. The pros of having a business and having business credit, tax write-offs and things like that. So I'm going to start putting that more into y'all head, putting it more in y'all face, so y'all can start being brainwashed and start thinking about what business you can start, what type of business can you run, what can you invest in that'll make you at least $2,000 a month. Find you 4 more businesses that can do the exact same thing. You'll be making $10,000 a month in passive income. Do that a whole year. That's what, $120,000. You continue to grow, you continue to invest, you continue to find new things that interest you, to have a passion for, and make more money. That's how this game works. That's how you're supposed to do it. Grow a business, get it to a certain point, and you sell it, and you do it all over again. Point blank period. Maybe you want to hand it down to your kids or a family member, but sometimes people grow businesses and they sell it, and they can do things all over again. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all paying attention to the gems that I'm giving y'all, because I guarantee if you do, you'll be successful and get anything that you needed to get, any type of loan, any type of credit card, any type of line of credit. Point blank period. All right, so make sure y'all tap it in. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, new fans, supporters, all that good stuff like that, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping sauce. Y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. Anybody looking to get their credit lessons, want to learn how to clean y'all credit, build your credit, get trade lines, AUs, loans, lines of credits, credit cards, all that like that, it's going to be $600. But you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Book y'all FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems. It's $1,200. You're gonna get everything that you need. Unlimited gems is self-explanatory. You're gonna get the information about CPNs, documents, how to clean and build your credit, loans, lines of credits, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, how to invest, how to be blessed, anything out the method book that you need to know. So make sure y'all tapping in on that. FaceTime 1-on-1 Unlimited Gems. That's $1,200. Also, get y'all mentorships. I'm taking people under my wing. You're going to get all the limited gems, plus you're going to get information about the DW, and we're going to make passive income together. Yes, we're going to make money together. We're going to run up a bag together with this YouTube automation. All right, so we're going to make these channels. We're going to drop videos. We're going to run the views up. Channel start making 10,000, you get 5, I get 5. Start making 20, you get 10, I get 10. Easy as that, point blank, period. So, as long as you put in the same work and the same effort, the same dedication with the channel, we won't have any problems. Also, make sure y'all book y'all see on the crypto tour. Miami, Florida, May 26th through the 29th. Memorial Day weekend, I'm invading South Beach. Book y'all seats, $3,500. $500 deposit. The rest of the money we be in person. We turning up. We got the yachts. We got beautiful ladies. We making money. We doing a lot of good stuff. All right, so if you want to tap in, potentially join the team, tap in, man. Get y'all gems. Book y'all seat on the crypto tour, in-person limited gems, $3,500. $500 deposit, the rest of the money we be in person. All right, still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, producers, cameraman, content creators. Music reviews is $200. You're a rapper or singer. You're trying to get your watch, trying to get your chain. You ready to start making money with your music. Tap in with me. Music reviews is $200. Also, any models out there, any beautiful ladies out there, you ready to elevate, you ready to travel, you ready to get your face on the screen, you ready to get your platform and your brand out there. Tap in. Let's work. Make sure you got a good attitude. Make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. I don't got time for that. All right, so I'm looking for beautiful ladies to work with, beautiful ladies I can elevate with. Teamwork, make the dream work, and let's make it happen. Any cameraman out there, good camera, good editing, tap in with me. Houston, Texas, surrounding areas can travel, tap in with me. And let's get this money, man. We finna get back to dropping these videos, get back to dropping installs. Mixtape coming soon. The new mixtape coming soon. It ain't called cryptocurrency no more. It's called Silk Road, the new Silk Road merchandise coming soon. We got t-shirts, we got full zip up hoodies, we got oversized crop hoodies coming. $250 for the hoodies, $150 for the shirts. Exclusive drop for the full zip up hoodies gonna be $350. So make sure y'all on the lookout for the merch that's coming soon. Doing a giveaway real soon. Air Force Ones, Jordans, lessons, merch, all that. So make sure y'all tapping in on that. Make sure y'all go follow me on all my social media platforms. Go run up my followers on Telegram. And make sure y'all tap in, man. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.